Yes, ma'am.
So if the Supreme Court upholds the decision, how is that likely to impact 2018 election?
Yeah. So the question was, if the Supreme Court upholds the trial court decision, if we win, what will happen in 2018 in Wisconsin? So the short answer is that we'll have a new map. I don't know for how long we'll have that new map before the election happens. It might not be a very long time. So the argument is in October. Kind of in a best case scenario, we would see a decision from the Supreme Court in our favor in December, January, February, somewhere in that time frame. What would happen then is the Supreme Court would tell the trial court, okay, we agree with your decision, go get new maps. And the trial court would very quickly figure out a process. They would probably ask the legislature to pass a new map, adhering to the standard. They'd give them a few weeks to do that, 4, 6, 8, whatever, how many weeks they give them. And the legislature will either draw a better map and the court will accept it, or they won't, in which case the court will then be forced to draw their own map. And there's all kinds of different processes a federal court can use to draw a map. They can hire somebody to do it, they can invite submissions and evaluate them, they can get a special master, they can do all kinds of things, right? And that happens all the time because lots of states have split control and they can't decide on the map. And so hopefully by early summer, late spring, we'll have a new map. And people will have to decide to run under those new districts. And we have a primary election in the middle of August. Worst case scenario, maybe they have to push the primary election a little bit. But hopefully the Supreme Court will come up with a quick decision in our favor. And the trial court will work fast. And we'll have new maps by the spring. And then people can have a November election that's fair. And look, I don't think we're going to change partisan control of the assembly when it's 65-34 right now. But you can see some significant change, and you're going to see some big change in the districts because you'll get fairer districts.